will you do next? Paano tayo mag-set for responsiveness? Okay, no response. What will you do next? Call. Okay, good call. Hindi nakalimutan ko ako. So, call. Again, magturo ako kahit sino. Huwag kakalimutan yung instructions. Ambulance, 911, AED, then bumalik sa akin. Then, your next step is step for critical calls. Where do we check our calls? Critical calls, no? Dito. And then now, go! Okay, the patient is? And patient has no calls. And do? Again, no? Kapag CPR, unlike sa adult, di tayo ganito. So, ganito. Fingertips lang. Or yung finger pads. Huwag directly straight na ganito. Kasi mahaba yung po nyo, may magkakaroon ng wounds CPV. So, dapat finger pads lang yung nakatouch dyan. And yung isang kamay nyo, don't forget to support the head. Kasi nga, we're retaining neural position lang. Okay, ready, count, go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1.
Okay, no? So, assuming again, may signs of flame siya, pero dire-diretso lang po, ating matigil yung instruction. Yun. Now, may signs of life, what will you do next? Next. Lapit, and then down, go! Again, no? So, assume your birthing position sa ilalim ng neck and then sa ilalim or sa likod, si baby. Kunin siya, birthing position. And then, nagilid. Dapat mas lower yung head. Okay? Nakapas lang siya ng head. Para nag-drain yung fluid build-up or fluid drain. Okay? So, after that, si baby, then you're done with your infant CPR. Clear tayo so far? No questions pa?